Dear customers, greetings from Nationwide Management Services, LLC. We at NMS have always aimed to be transparent in all our operations. In this video, I will be explaining how to know your bill better and how to understand every aspect of your invoice. Basically, the invoice is segmented into 3 parts. The first section is personal and property details. The second section is meter readings and bill calculation details. And the final one is payment options. Let's focus on the first segment, personal and property details. The top part represents the name of your building, example, Mayfair Residency, and shows that the bill is a tax invoice and can be used to claim tax return. Tax invoice number is the unique number. Next is the invoice date. It is the date on which the invoice is generated. Due date. The due date refers to the date by which your payment shall be completed. If failed to send on time, you may incur late payment charges. Billing period represents the cycle for which the bill has been generated. Usually the bills are issued on a monthly basis. However, bills can be split depending on move-in, move-out date. This section highlights the details of the registered billing party along with the customer ID. All tenants are required to register via customer in order to receive the invoices emailed directly to them. Timely registrations must be done to avoid late payment charges. For commercial properties, the tax registration numbers will be mentioned if the customer provides a TRN certificate. Let's move on to the next segment, which is meter readings and bill calculation details. This section highlights the serial number of the BTU meter, meter reading information, previous and current readings, and the conversion factor which is used to calculate the billing determinants, i.e. RTH, kWh, etc. Depending on the billing methodology, breakdown of the charges are also mentioned. For our Business Bay, IMPZ, and AI Barsha projects, the billing technique adopted is based on district calling and power methodology, whereas for Dubai Silicon Oasis, the cooling charges are calculated on the basis of allocation. Let me explain for you the current charges breakdown. Cooling consumption charge is the charge incurred for the actual flow of chilled water consumed by your unit for the mentioned period. The flow is measured by the BTU meter installed for each individual unit. Capacity charge, or the demand charges, is a charge levied upon the building by the supplier of the chilled water, district cooling provider, for maintaining the necessary infrastructure required to facilitate the cooling services, and is inclusive of the cost of the baseload of chilled water provided to the building as a whole. Service charge. These charges are towards account management and specialized services, which includes managing payment and collections, ensuring payment booking and receipts, BTU meter maintenance, monthly reading and billing, etc. Note, as per the building operational methodology, the demand charge and services charges are fixed monthly charges which are irrespective of chiller usage or disconnection. This is the last section of your invoice that clearly mentions the different payment options available. The customer can visit Burlington Tower in Business Bay and pay directly to the cashier. Cash and check deposit options are also available. However, after cash or check deposit, please email the payment advice copy to utilities@nationwide.ae. That will enable us to identify, verify, and reconcile your payment. The same shall be applicable while performing a bank transfer. The registered tenants and owners can visit customer.dar.ae, log in using their username and password, click on My Financials, and can pay conveniently via online portal. For further queries, please email us at utilities@nationwide.ae. Thank you.